Today's weather is sponsored by the Eye Care Associates of West Kentucky, the Paducah location, located at 1748 Broadway Street, downtown Paducah. Good morning, I'm meteorologist Beau-Cast. It's October 27, 2016, and can you believe that October is almost over? You're really not going to believe the forecast. Let's take a look at today. We've got a lot of clouds. This is visible satellite this morning. We see this area of low pressure. You can almost see the spin here in the clouds. Area of low pressure well to our northeast. That's what brought our showers and thunderstorms last night. Parts of southeast Missouri and Southern Illinois actually had some heavy downpours at one point. A lot of areas didn't receive any rainfall at all. Today we have to deal with the low clouds, stratus clouds. Is that cooler air moving in? We've got these low clouds over most of the area. You can see here the Boot Heel, parts of West Kentucky, West Tennessee. You do have some sunshine, but some of these clouds may even spin into your area as the morning wears on. Now later this afternoon, maybe we'll see a mix of sun and clouds, but it might be hard to shake some of these clouds. Also want to mention that over the coming morning, sometimes I forget to let you know, fog is going to be a possibility. Common in the fall months. We get these cool nights. After a rain event, you can have some dense fog. So keep that in mind as we move into tonight. We take a look at the infrared satellite. Now this is not picking up on those low clouds, but these are picking up on some higher clouds and some colder cloud tops, and you can sort of see the movement into our area. So the same applies to those low clouds as well. We switch off the satellite view and you can see those showers and patchy light rain that were still over parts of the area early this morning, but that is pretty much all moved off to the east into eastern Kentucky, all the way into West Virginia, Pennsylvania, New York. Probably going to be some snow up here over the next 24 hours as well. No snow for us. We will have warming temperatures over the coming days. Much above normal temperatures return on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday. I'm watching two systems, a weak one on Tuesday night, another one around next Thursday or Friday, possibly some showers with that. I'm thinking Tuesday remains dry, a little chance of a shower. Better chance as a bigger storm system comes out of the central U.S. towards late in the week next week. But until then, it's going to feel like spring. Today will be our coolest day of the next 5 days. Let's take a look at the GFS model for the next 10 days. We have high pressure building in today. Now we will have these low clouds wrapping around this area of low pressure. Clouds, maybe some patchy drizzle. We'll keep temperatures down where the clouds are thickest, lower 70s, where sun comes out over our southern areas. Again, maybe upper 60s. We put this in motion and we move through the weekend. And one thing we will notice is the isobars, the equal lines of pressure. We see low pressure in Kansas, high pressure in North and South Carolina, in between tight isobars. And what happens when we have tight isobars? Gusty winds. So if you're headed out on the lake Saturday and Sunday, plan on some gusty winds. Gusty winds also into Monday. Dry weather, low moves to our north on Sunday. Nothing in our area to worry about. Then we move into Monday. Tuesday, another weak system passes to our north, maybe some showers and clouds to our north. We move into Wednesday, and then Thursday, system to our west. I'll keep an eye on that. It pulls off to the north with a cold front trailing from it, a warm front somewhere in here perhaps. We could have some clouds and showers with it. I may have to put in a little bit of chance of rain on Wednesday night and Thursday. We'll keep an eye on it. It does not look like a lot of rain or a heavy rain event. We move into Friday, and then we move into Saturday. We see another area of low pressure pull out of the central plains into northern Missouri, and that will track into Illinois. Now we're getting out way into the future with this model, so confidence drops rapidly once we get past day 5, so keep that in mind. But if we were to get a low to track through Missouri and Illinois, would be closer to the Gulf of Mexico, maybe would pull moisture up and some showers and thunderstorms with it. Again, long way off. We'll keep an eye on it. That's next weekend. No problems from now through Wednesday. We just keep moving forward, and overall, the pattern's not changing as we move into November 8th. Now, I've been telling everybody the middle of November is when we might have a pattern flip. If we get that pattern flip, we'll start having colder air move into the area. For now, though, it's status quo, same weather through next week. Warming conditions on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, well above normal temperatures. Maybe a slight chance of rain by Wednesday night and Thursday. Maybe another chance around next Saturday. But for the most part, more of the same, well above normal temperatures as we enter the first week of October. Let's go ahead and take a look at the forecast then day by day. Today we will have quite a few clouds in the area, low stratus clouds. Temperatures today will be muted because of that, probably going to stay in the lower 60s where clouds are the thickest. And then upper 60s where clouds clear out. Right now we do have some sun over the Missouri Boot Heel, West Kentucky, and West Tennessee. So keep that in mind. Northwest winds around 5 miles per hour. Tonight we should see mostly clear sky conditions, patchy, dense fog developing after midnight. Lows mostly in the upper 40s. Light north winds becoming calm after midnight. For Friday morning, patchy fog. Keep that in mind. Becoming mostly Sunday. Now, we could have some stratus clouds in the morning as well, but all that should mix out during the mid and late morning hours. Highs on Friday, upper 70s, well above normal. Southeast winds 5 miles per hour. Switching to the south during the afternoon. Friday night, clear sky conditions, warmer, lows in the upper 50s, south winds around 5 miles per hour. Saturday and Sunday, mostly sunny. Both days, upper 70s, lower 80s, well above normal temperatures. Breezy on both Saturday and Sunday. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Gusts to 20-25 possible. Overnight lows on Saturday night and Sunday night. Upper 50s, lower 60s with mostly clear sky conditions. We move into next week. Monday, very warm, mostly sunny. Highs into the lower 80s. Breezy on Monday. Winds gusting above 20 miles per hour. Monday night, 60 degrees. Just unbelievable for this time of year. 60 degrees with clear sky conditions. Lows around 60. As we move into Tuesday, maybe some increase in clouds as we have a system passing to our north. High temperatures on Tuesday around 80 degrees. Upper 70s, lower 80s again. Partly cloudy on Tuesday night. Lows in the mid-50s. Wednesday, we'll keep an eye out for a slight chance for a shower as a system passes over our area. Still very warm. Temperatures well into the 70s. Partly sunny sky conditions. Winds probably going to be gusty on Wednesday as well in the 10 to 15 mile per hour range. Strongest winds for you boaters Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. All right. Have a great day.